Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to delete things on Windows 11, and it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Deleting items on Windows 11 can refer to files, folders, application, or even system settings. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to delete various types of items on Windows 11. First method, open the File Explorer by pressing Win plus A. Navigate to the file or folder you want to delete. Click on the item and choose to click Delete. Alternatively, choose the item and press the Delete key on your keyboard. The item will be moved to the recycled bin. To permanently delete it, click on the recycled bin and select Empty Recycle Bin. Another method, open the settings by pressing Win plus I. Go to Apps and Features. Find the application you want to delete and the list. Click on the three-dot menu next to the application and choose Uninstall. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation. Another method, using Win plus R, type Ctrl and press Enter to open the control panel. Go to Programs and Features, and find the application you want to uninstall. Right-click on it and choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation. Deleting system settings or registry entries. Warning: editing system settings or the Windows registry can affect system stability. Ensure you know what you are doing and back up your data beforehand. Firstly, open Settings by pressing Win plus I. Navigate to the specific setting you want to change or delete and adjust accordingly. Now, editing the registry. Press Win plus R, type regedit, and press Enter to open the registry editor. Navigate to the key or value you want to delete. Right-click on the key or value and choose Delete. Confirm the action. Be cautious, as deleting incorrect entries can cause system issues. Deleting browser data. Open Microsoft Edge. Click on the three-dot menu and choose Settings. Go to Privacy Search and Services. Under Clear Browsing Data, choose what to clear. Choose the data types you want to delete, for example, browsing history, cookies, cached image. Click on Clear Now. Another method, deleting temporary files. First, press Win plus S, type Disk Cleanup, and press Enter. Choose the drive you want to clean up and click OK. Check the types of files you want to delete. For example, temporary files, recycle bin. Click OK and then delete files. Now, using settings. Press Win plus I to go to the settings, storage. Click on temporary files. Check the boxes for the types of temporary files you want to delete and click on Remove Files. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.